Hi, today December 31st, and this is the occasion for me to wish you a very happy new year. I hope markets will behave and we can make good money in the coming year. This trades, and this is a January cycle, is not looking great, but it's okay. At this time, I have managed to reduce the upside loss to something minimal, but I'd like to get back above water. And this will depend on having a little bit more volatility on this side. So if the market can go down on Monday, it will be good to start simplifying. I intend going for something close to a iron condor on the way to end this cycle. So that will probably be closing the structure and maybe getting to PCS here on 44.25. So probably here I will only add 4 and here add 1. So this is how it would end. This is not good enough, but I'm hoping for a little vol pop to get to 0. Capital will be 5. I usually allow up to 10k for the remaining 2 weeks. On Monday will be just under 3 weeks, so there may be still time, but it's going to be difficult to make money on this trade. I mean, if I could break even, make $100, $150, that would be the maximum for the risk level that I would tolerate. Delta would be slightly positive, but that's not much of a worry. So basically, that's what I intend doing. I could, of course, add back another narrow broken butterfly. It's a little bit late for that. So either I go for more PCS or I add maybe here a 75/50 broken butterfly here to bring a structure up here. So not much to do, simplification, reduction, and trying to get it above water. A lot of people have suffered from this huge roller coaster that we had this month, so at least I managed to reduce risk. Of course, I had a call calendar here on 4800, which I dropped when the market went to the bottom of the roller coaster. And maybe in hindsight, it's always easy to say I should have kept it on, but well, that's what it is. For February is not as affected by the vagaries of this market as December and January were or have been. So this one is okay. I still have minus 436. As you realize, in this conservative management, I have to also, and test proven safe enough, in my view, when the market is really going crazy, not having too much upside risk when the market shoots up like it did like a week ago. So at this point, now that we are about 50 DTE, the skew is now emerging. So I may start placing for $1 a CCS around 5100. So maybe a CCS, maybe simplifying the trade with a PCS somewhere around here. So that I could probably not today, unless the market surprises us towards the close. But as you can see, I can get around 5100. Well, it's actually below. It was over $1 yesterday. So this is something that could be done. Delta would still be negative. Vega is alright. To improve my theta, this week I added a small structure. It was a narrow broken butterfly on the upside, top of my existing puts, to reduce the upside risk a little. And this is maybe what I would do for the coming weeks. So nothing much today. I'm hoping the market will drop. There's a huge gamma wall here on 4800, 4825, but it looks like the market is ready to retrace a little bit. It is now a matter of seeing whether market makers and institutions and punters will let the market go down again. The 4800 is actually, even though the market is quite overbought, it's been hovering around all-time highs again. But this 4800 level, the gamma will, most of it, I mean at least a third of it, will expire today at the close as a quarterly annual expiration. So of course there could be some recalibration next week, early next week, and that could lead to this gamma wall flipping and then having the market go to the upside. That's why we have to be a bit careful. But if the market now goes a little bit down, it's less likely that the market will shoot up. So although this is low volumes and it's difficult to follow what the market is doing, going down from all-time highs is positive. Yesterday we saw market trying to push higher on the Dow Jones. Then it went below the key resistance level. We have the same behavior on FANG plus Tesla. It has not clearly rejected 5,000, but it looks like the resistance is building up. So let's hope the market drifts down and we will be in a better position in the coming days. Okay, that is it for now. I'm sorry if my recordings do not come available every Monday. It's been a kind of a hectic time for me, both personally, developing, researching, etc., etc. But as always, I invite you to the Rhino Slack group that is updated at least twice a day. Again, have a wonderful new year. Thank you for following my trading style. Maybe too conservative for a lot of you, but it's kind of an institutional trading style where I try and aim for 15-20% a year, and that's what I've aimed for 2021. Okay, again, thank you for watching, and bye for now.